This is my compost bin. Look at that rich earth. It's been 1 year of composting in this container right here. And look at what I found. Potatoes, sweet potatoes. So I let sweet potatoes grow in the compost bin, and yeah, as I was digging, I found these. I guess I could plant them for next year. I don't know. But yeah, Cameroon sweet potatoes. I'm starting my compost pile for 2025. So I do compost for about a year in my compost bin. So this is going to be ready for use next year. Let me show you what I have. So in my compost bin, what I have here is dry matter. So we're going to get the carbon from here. These are twigs from the garden. I put a layer of that at the bottom of my compost bin. It helps with drainage as well. And I think that's what's gonna take the longest to decompose. So it helps to put that at the bottom. Next, I'm gonna put on top of that kitchen scraps. You can see I have the green matter, kitchen scraps, some fresh like leaves from the garden. So all of this is gonna supply like the nitrogen. We want to have a good mix of the dry and the wet stuff. And then in this bucket here I have cow manure in here. I'm gonna put everything together and just let it sit for about a year, and it will be nice and ready to go in the garden. Okay.